Happening today, Thurston County hosting another mass vaccination clinic this morning, but this time teachers are included on the list of those eligible to get shots. So this morning, keeping tabs on how that vaccination event is going, we've got Thurston County Public Health and Social Services Director Shelley Slaughter joining us here. Shelley, good morning. Thanks for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having us.
So talk a little bit about this. How many shots are you hoping to give out today?
So we're hoping to give out about 1,000 today. We've got over 800 appointments that were filled thus far, and 492 to child care providers and educators.
Oh, wow. So, I mean, when we talk about the educators, that was very big news when we started to see that they were now eligible to get that vaccine. Are you seeing a lot of child care providers and educators signing up so far?
Yes, we've had a tremendous response since that was announced. Everyone's looking for where they can get a vaccine. We were really happy that we had this clinic at our Thurston County Fairgrounds already scheduled today. And as soon as we opened up the appointments, within 16 minutes they were filled. And we're really happy that over half are going to educators and child care providers, as well as others in our community in phase B1 and still phase 1A as well.
I want to ask you about some of these spots because you guys are also reserving 200 spots for those who struggle with internet access and maybe have other, sort of boundaries that are preventing them from signing up for that vaccine. Were you able to fill those spots this morning?
Yes, we reserved 20% of our vaccine doses for those that have difficulty in accessing the internet or need special help or otherwise any kind of access issues. So we have a hotline set up at Thurston County Public Health just to provide assistance for those in that situation. And we're serving them at today's drive-through clinic as well as at other clinics at our public health department.
Okay, that's good to know. So, because that was kind of my next question was if people don't have access to the internet, my first thought is, oh, you just go online and you sign up. But people can call that Thurston County hotline if they need help getting access to that?
Yes.
Okay.
And that phone number for Thurston County Public Health and Social Services is 360-867-2610. And others who aren't in Thurston County can call the Washington State Department of Health hotline if they need help seeking vaccine appointments or assistance in making those.
Okay, perfect. We want to make sure we're directing people to the right spots. We appreciate that. We're also learning from the Department of Health that Thurston County is one of the counties getting a portion of this new Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Is that some of those shots being distributed at this clinic today?
Not today. Today we are administering Pfizer doses. We were really happy to be able to offer Pfizer since the storage guidelines changed. And so that allowed us to get more vaccine doses here in Thurston County. But we're also so excited about the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, and we received our first shipment of Johnson & Johnson yesterday. So in the next week, we'll be administering Johnson & Johnson as well.
Wow. All right. So we appreciate you joining us here this morning, Shelley. It's exciting to talk a little bit about the vaccine, especially when we're seeing that vaccination rate go up across the entire state. So we appreciate what you're doing right now. Thank you.
Thank you.